Hello guys, welcome back to Lucas Asante Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install IBM SPSS statistics on your Windows PC, step by step. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so even if this is your first time using SPSS, you'll be able to follow along easily. Of course, SPSS is a software used for data analysis, statistic research projects, questionnaires, and academic work. It is widely used by students, researchers, and organizations for analyzing data professionally. Let's head over to our browser, of course. I'm using Chrome. Now, and search for, I already have the IBM SPSS. Okay, and this is the official page. The first link you are seeing is the official page for IBM SPSS, and we are going to download the trial version. Okay, so now we are on the website, as you can see. Now click on start free trial. Start free trial like this. Click on it to sign up with Google, which will be very easy. I'm using this one, my email. That way it's very short to create the account. Continue. Wait for it. Now, email will be sent. Okay, this is the email. As you can see, get started with blah blah blah. Download. Click on download. Scroll down. Look for your PC spec. I mean your operating system and your architecture. I'm using Windows and it's 64-bit, so it's just this one. And you can see the minimum system requirement for the download: 1.6 GHz CPU speed, 64-bit, 4 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM storage, 1024 by 768 display, which is common. So I will just click on this one, 64-bit, and wait for it to complete the download because it's 131 MB. So it depends on your internet. So download folder, head over to your download folder like this, and this is your IBM SPSS. Right click on it and run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for it. Of course, click next. Accept the terms and licensing agreements. Click next again. Now click next again. Just leave everything to default and install. It might take a few minutes. Click finish. Of course, if you check this one, if you click finish, it will open automatically. So click finish and open it. So on your first time opening it, you will be asked to activate the product. Log in with your IBM account, the one we created earlier. So log with IBM. Allow. So log in with your IBM account, the one we just created earlier. Continue with Google. So it will be easy for you. I use Asante Tech, so I'm going to use it here again. And the session is authenticating, of course. Open link in IBM. You can see. So once this is finished, you have access to SPSS trial version. You can go ahead and explore whatever you want. So if you like it, you can subscribe for it. If you don't have money to subscribe, or if you don't want this limited version, check out my TikTok page. I've posted something there, or the link in the description. Check it out and see for yourself. That's it. You have successfully installed IBM SPSS statistics on your PC. So follow the tutorial, as I'll be explaining some key functions and interface in the next video. So thank you. As always, if you found the video helpful, kindly leave me a comment and subscribe for any tech tutorial.